Good morning students. Today I am going to show how to use color replacement tool in Photopea or in Photoshop. Okay. So first open the Photopea app in your mobile, Android mobile. Just wait, it will load depending on your network connection. Okay. So this is the Photopea and here I am taking file, open. Then click on the files. This the image is this. Now I am using the color replacement tool and this is the oranges are the four color and I'm using a zoom tool. Just you with your finger you zoom it. Okay, so this is the toolbox. These are all toolbox is there and this is the menu bar, file, edit, image, menu, and these are the options. Okay, again I'm selecting, open, go to the files and this I will send the image to your WhatsApp. Okay, so just zoom it or else you can use this zoom option also. Click on the plus button, just you click here to zoom. Now I'm using the color replacement tool. See, color replacement tool be the in this tool 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again I'm telling 1 2 3 4 5 6. So once only once time you have to click here. Just wait, it will load. Don't type again and again, just you have to load because net connection will be slow or fast. So slowly you have to click on the arrow button. Now here you have to select the color replacement tool. Okay, before you can apply any color. Here this color or this color, whatever the color is there, your choice. Now I am applying here pink color, so your choice, you can choose any color. Just the click button. See here, what are the foreground color where that color we are going to apply here. Now I am using the replacement tool, and brush tool is very important. Just you click the brush and size should be in between 5 to 10. Don't put maximum, don't put minimum, just the size should be in between 5 to 10. So it is okay. If you want to increase, you can increase also. 7. Okay, now very slowly you have to apply. So this just I am applying here. See here, slow is changing the color. Pink color I am applying. Our is the pink orange. Okay, so if you want to zoom out also, click on the minus. Okay, similarly you can zoom also. I can click on the this one. Increase the brush size also. 10 you keep 10. Okay, zoom it. Okay, now here slowly you have to keep them. Again you select the color replacement tool. It's taking time. Okay, right. So our is the pink orange. Again select the zoom tool and now this time I am applying to the pieces of this one. Again you click on the this time. Just wait. Very slowly you have to apply, otherwise don't apply to the borders. Okay, here also right side also I am applying. So now wait. Okay, don't leave the places. Again go to the zoom or else slowly, and this time I am doing this one. Okay, this one, click on the color replacement. Slowly you have to apply. Don't apply to edges also. So you can choose any color as your wish. Okay, and edges also I'm applying colors here also. Okay, it takes some time depending on your internet because we are doing online editor. Okay, and similarly here also I'm applying this. Here also you can apply colors. Now our is the yes here. Whenever you find gap, fill them with your finger. Just you have to move. Okay, so here also gap is there and filling, and here also gap is there and filling. If you want to apply borders also, you try with different borders also. So this is also applying. Okay, just zoom toward. Oh, here we are not applied, so just remove it. Wait. Okay, again take the replacement tool. Here you can apply. This circle also you can if you want to apply borders. Slowly it is taking. So whenever you find any scratches of colors, just you rub it very slowly. You have to rub, then it will fill with the color with pink. Now it becomes ours. Now take zoom, click on the minus button. As here there are some gaps are there here. Okay, again you go to the replace button, replacement, and here you apply the. When you change the tools, it will take some time to apply. Just wait. That's right. Here also some gaps are there. Now some slowly stays there. So better to put your brush size to 10. Right. Okay, now go to this one brush. Now do minus. Now here. Now it's become the orange to another color. So after that, file, save. Okay, so just download. It is downloaded. Just wait. Now open. So you can open it or you can else save the file also. So file, JPG. Just wait. It will take time to save. Then save. You can save as a JPG also. It takes some time. Just wait. Now. Okay, now here. So this is our. This you can share to my WhatsApp number. Like this you can share. Okay, so I'm sharing to my only. So you have to send two photos. One is the original one, orange color. Before applying photo replacement tool, you have to type, and after replacement tool. I will show you. Sweet. Okay, so I'm sending to my mobile number only. So after using color replacement tool. See here. So like this you have to send, and here you type before. I have not forgot to type here before using replacement tool in Photoshop, after using replacement tool in Photoshop. So in this way you can use the replacement tool in Photoshop. Okay, so try it. If you have any doubt, you can comment, share this video. Okay, thank you.